Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a color grading like DSLR in CapCut. So here, what you need to do is just add the clips that you want to edit and then go to the adjust, and you can follow this color grading. So for the contrast, increase it to around 25, saturation 35, and then exposure 5. Increase the sharpness to 90. Lastly, go to highlight and increase it to only 2. Now you are done. Click on the check icon and this will be the final result. So that's it from me. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.